All right, let's talk about software design and integration, known as SDI. SDI is a program where students learn coding. They're provided for hardware requirements. They're provided Raspberry Pis. This comes with, and it's a kit, so it comes with the SD cards, the cables, everything you need. And if you're not sure what a Raspberry Pi is, it's think a hobbyist mini computer. It's the computer, but not the screen, keyboard, and mouse. And what the school needs to provide is the screen, keyboard, and mouse. So it can't be a laptop. It actually needs to be a screen, like a monitor, and then a keyboard and mouse that connect via USB. It has all the conversion cables, so it actually plugs in directly with USB to the keyboard and mouse, and it has a mini HDMI to HDMI connection that it comes with, so you should be all set if you provide a standard HDMI monitor. The device does need to be online, so each Raspberry Pi needs to be able to connect to the internet. What we've seen some IT folks do is they give that classroom its own little unique Wi-Fi so that students can connect their device to it, and they have the password and all that for the Raspberry Pis. For the install requirements, there's no software to be installed. The Pi comes with some software on it, and then the students can grab anything they need from online. If they need another library or something while they're coding. The sites to list or to allow, milestoneC.com, lab.stemi is their LMS, which is where they get their curriculum. They'll watch videos, we have a YouTube player there, so we need YouTube as well. They can enter that through a variety of ways, directly with their email, with a username, with a QR code, so the teacher has a lot of controls there. And then we also do single sign-ons like Google that the students can use. So it's a pretty flexible system for it to get their curriculum through our LMS, which is lab.stemi.education. They will also need the editor because they're doing some coding. We use both Python and then a version of that that's called Turtle, which is a graphical coding language, so students can code and they see it doing shapes and designs, and it's a great way to teach them. So that is editor.stemi.education. So they'll be editing code in that IDE. And then I mentioned YouTube already, and then python.org just to get information or to pull something they need to reference, and that should be it. One more, pythonhosted.org, and that's just to get some of the SenseHat library. And the SenseHat is provided to the students as a piece of hardware that goes on top of the Pi, and it just gives them an LED and some buttons and some things to make it more real world and have them interact with some sensors through code.